She just sat down and was crying and said, "That's it, your dad's gone. Your dad is gone."
Milestones in the war on COVID-19 that show its vicious nature. At least 1 million infected in the U.S. and nearly 60,000 dead.
Projections provided to the government and reported today that show the number of daily coronavirus deaths in the U.S. could nearly double to 3,000 a day.
People are dying from this. Old people, young people, people are dying from this. It is lethal.
The nation is ramping up testing. This week, Walgreens and CVS announced they are opening 17 more drive-through sites, which could test thousands more people.
The chorus to reopen state economies and get people back to work is growing louder, even as the nation's death toll from COVID-19 rises.
If we have a testing infrastructure in place, we can open up. If we want our economy to stay open, this has got to be priority number